Alright, so I'm going to show you guys a quick video of what I came up to organize some of my sockets. So, I've had the snap-on, I've had the Harbor Freight, but they're all plastic and they all break. You know, I'm rough with my tools, so I just tried this out. I've had it for about 2 months now and it's held up better than anything else I've had. It's just a really simple half-inch piece of plywood, and I had a bunch of nails left over, and I grinded it real smooth. You can't even feel any kind of edge. And I did that, I believe, 50 times. And that's what it came with. You know, they're all in a line, and it came out really well. I think I made this for nothing. It was all scrap, but I'm sure if you went to the store, you know, $5 maybe to buy all the material here. But it's working out so far. I just wanted to share. Did this for my half-inch drives too, you know, just my favorite ones. I have another chest of sockets that is not as organized, and if this holds up for another month or two, I think I'm gonna go full scale, the whole entire drawer, just like this, and add all my other sockets here. So yeah, it's just an idea I want.